This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start inside the Instagram app, open your profile and tap the three-line menu. Once done, go to Settings and choose Notifications. This is where Instagram controls live. Make sure your phone's notification settings are available. You'll need to cross-check them. You're beginning the permanent pause, so move beyond the temporary pause button and head straight to the main notification categories. That ensures you're changing persistent toggles rather than a short mute. Now you'll work through each category and turn it off. Tap Posts, Stories, Messages, Live, Comments, and Likes, and set them to off. You do this because Instagram saves per category choices. Leaving one enabled still delivers alerts. Next, open email and SMS settings and disable those channels so messages won't arrive outside the app. Make sure the app-level push toggle is off. Otherwise, your phone may still show banners even after category changes. Finish by blocking Instagram at the phone level. Settings right arrow apps, right arrow Instagram, right arrow notifications, then disable all. On iPhone, use notifications, right arrow Instagram, right arrow toggle off. On Android, turn off all channels and badges. If you want no background activity, revoke background data or badge permissions. If notifications still arrive, log out, reinstall the app. Then verify settings again because cached or linked accounts can re-enable alerts. One troubleshooting tip: check other linked apps or accounts that may mirror Instagram alerts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.